Three new ballistic carbon fiber wrapped hydrogen storage tanks store 52.2 liters of hydrogen each and package more easily below the floor than did the Tucson's two tanks, sized for 37 and 103 liters. This freed up room to move the battery out of the tunnel and back to the cargo area above the tanks. Operating pressure is unchanged at 700 bar, 10,153 pounds per square inch, but fuel system mass drops from 281 to 245 pounds, improving the system tank mass efficiency, kilograms of hydrogen per kilogram of storage system weight, from 4.4 to 5.7%.